In this task, we need to install SELinux on App Server 2. So SELinux stands for Security Enhanced Linux. So it enhances your Linux security. So in order to connect to App Server 2, SSH space, username is Steve, stapp02. The password is this one. You can get that by clicking here. So be a sudo user. So if you want to know which package to use, if you do apt, for instance, it says command add from. That's not Debian. If you use M, you got the help page. So M space, look for SELinux. So these are the things we need to install. So what I'm going to do, let's do M update first. So once you install it, what you need to do, you need to permanently disable SELinux for the time being. So time being, we just need to disable it once you install it. Then there is no need to reboot the server, as scheduled maintenance is rebooted already, planned for tonight. So we just need to install it and then disable it. Okay, once you're done with M update, before installing this one, I'd like to show you something. If you look into /etc folder, so you don't see any SELinux things here, right? Oh, we got it. If you go to /etc SELinux, so whenever you install something, that thing usually comes in this /etc folder only. For now, we got only one file. So once you install SELinux, install SELinux, I'm just gonna put asterisk for everything starts with SELinux, and okay, it says that try to add allow allow erasing. So to replace conflict package, okay, there are different packages actually. So I'm gonna use nobest. So it usually looks for the best one. I'm gonna -y. That means yes, and nobest. Okay, now it's been installed. We're in the same folder /etc Linux. If I do lsfl now we can see these configuration files as well. Earlier there was only this one. So then we need to disable it. If you, this is the file, you can see with the hyphen. So just edit it. So here you can see SELinux enforcing, that means enabled. So we just need to disable for the time being as per the task. Just insert and type disabled. If you don't know how to use VI, we have a VI written in our Linux series. Just watch that video as well. So we disabled it. Let's check the task now. Yeah, it's been successful. Thank you so much for watching.